India crosses 5 lakh mark as it reports the highest single day spike of 19,906 new COVID-19 cases, 410 deaths reported in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India now stands at 5,28,859, including 2,03,051 active cases. 3,09,713 people have been cured and discharged. 16,095 deaths reported. Karnataka reports 918 cases, taking the total tally to 11,923 cases. The state has 4,441 active cases. Total COVID-19 related deaths have increased to 191, with 11 new deaths being reported on Saturday. Bengaluru reports 596 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, seeing the largest spike ever. 3 deaths also has been reported in Bengaluru as well. Total number of active cases in the city has climbed to 1,913. Death toll in Bengaluru has climbed to 84. Meanwhile, 371 discharges too were reported, taking the total number of discharges to 7,287 in Karnataka. Also, 11 new deaths were reported in the state, taking the total number of deaths to 191. Karnataka government comes up with new measures to flatten the curve in the state. Revised night curfew from 8 in the evening to 5 in the morning. Vehicles carrying essential commodities will be allowed to ferry. Also, complete lockdown on Sundays from the 5th of July. Residents of the state will not be allowed to come outside their houses until they have any important work. Bars and restaurants too will remain shut on Sundays. Only takeaways will be allowed from hotels. Government also declares a holiday for government institutions and offices every Saturday. They will be working only 5 days in a week until further orders from the government of Karnataka.
ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬಲವಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಈ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಶ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೂರಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಷರ್ಸ್.
After rise in COVID-19 cases in the state, Education Minister Suresh Kumar wakes up and says that students can take up supplementary exams if they find it difficult to attend the main exams, and they will be considered as freshers. Respite for common man at last after over 20 days. No increase in prices of petrol and diesel in the national capital. Petrol stands at 80 rupees 38 paise per litre and diesel stands at 80 rupees 40 paise per litre. And 99,55,495 COVID-19 cases recorded across the world. The death toll stands at 4,98,217 and 50,32,300 people have recovered so far. United States of America continues to remain the worst affected nation, reporting 25,10,092 cases.